What's going on, YouTube? Thanks for stopping back at the channel, AdvanHeating and Cooling. Really appreciate all your support. On this video, you're going to see it's a Goodman furnace, about 6-7 years old, and it's on LP, so the burners are all rusted. I came over and cleaned the burners to get them by. It's been working great, but I replaced them with some stainless steel burners. And I noticed quite a few people watch the channel, but you're not subscribed. Go down to that little box in the corner down here and hit subscribe. It really helps the channel out, makes the channel grow. It makes me want to do more content. Yeah, check and make sure there's no cost or obligation. It's all free. Just hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up button. Alright, so this is a GMV97 modulating furnace. Burners are all rusted, so we're going to replace the burners on this because it's propane. So here are the new burners. These are stainless steel. As you can see, these are all rusted, and it's hard for the gas to get through and cross over. Just got done running a cycle because it's warm. So basically take these 4 screws off up here, and the burners, the manifold will slide off. So I took a wire brush and cleaned these to get them some temporary heat, but the gas was not flowing through, and so we had to clean these up really good, and they would have worked, but we're going to replace them with some new burners. New stainless steel. So they basically slide up inside this little area, and then they go in these little brackets back there. Pretty simple. Okay, and this is where it gets kind of tricky, because you gotta lift all these up and at the same time and put everything back in place. That wasn't too bad. You just send them back home. And so what other thing we're going to be doing is replacing this with a Fernco cup that's got a drain on it, because in the summertime this pipe will actually create condensation from the hot humid air and the air conditioner sitting on it, and it'll actually start dripping on your gas valve. You can see it's starting to get rusted. Eventually it'll end up taking the gas valve out. There's the part number right there for this kit. So we can put a link in the description through Amazon. You can get these on Amazon as well. This sets down just like that, and as you can see, the water will get collected inside and then drain out here. just like that. And then I'm going to get some of this hose, run that down into my condensate pump. Alright, so this is just 3/8 tubing, and that just goes inside there like that. So we should have power now. There's the gas valve. Yeah, you can see these things were just really rusted. Propane burns really wet, and it will eventually block this, and that's what it was doing, so it wasn't lighting. Goodman or a Amana furnace that's on propane, get those burners replaced. Goodbye.